Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Mike. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we actually are going to work with our pressure washer, and if you remember our previous video that we had, we actually fixed that pressure washer. That's the one we got for free, put a carburetor on it. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to pressure wash the driveway. I tell you, I tried to do it already, and I used the wand, and the wand took forever. So what I ended up doing is I ended up picking up a couple of things off of Amazon. So let's go see what I got. Okay, check it out. This is what we picked up. Karcher surface cleaner. We're gonna open that up. This is the extension wand. I'm 6'4", and I have to actually get an extension wand so it doesn't kill my back. So let's see what they look like. Let's open them up. There's our extension wand. It's a 30-inch extension wand. And what we're going to do is we're going to put that on the end of the pressure washer handle that we have. And that should give me just enough extension in order to be able to stand upright and not hurt my back. And when I was reading some of the feedback, they said that this actually takes only 25% of the time. So the hours that I spent on some of these areas of the driveway that I'll show you in just a minute going to be diminished tremendously. Let's open it up, take a look. Okay, here we go. This is a pretty simple mechanism. It's 15 inches across. It's a pretty good size. Of course, right here, this is where the nozzle from the pressure washer is going to plug into. And on the bottom, you can see it actually has two jets, one here and one here. They're angled, looks like about 40 degrees or so. Whenever the pressurized water goes through here, it spins it around. And then, of course, it rides on top of these bristle brushes. And so you can imagine just using this and the pressure on the pressure washer, it's going to go a whole lot faster. So let's get everything fired up. We'll show you the area that we cleaned before. We'll show you the area that we need to clean. And then we'll do a quick comparison to see how much faster it is. Here we go. Okay, take a look, guys. So if you look closely, you'll see on the left side, we did this with the wand. It took about, gosh, I mean, it was several hours. I would say at least 2 hours. Further down the driveway, you can see where we were just etching it in, just messing around with it a little bit once we got that carburetor fixed. And you can see it is filthy. So we are going to hook up the pressure washer, turn it on, and see what it looks like. We'll give you a side-by-side of a clean area and then an area that we need to do. And then you can compare for yourself and see how much better it does. All right, this is our extension. What we need to do is we need to take off the old extension off the wand here, put that on, and what I've done is I've got a crescent wrench and I have some Teflon tape. We're gonna use the Teflon tape right around the threads just to make sure it doesn't leak. Okay, quick comparison. New one, old one. About a foot longer. The other nice thing, remember we got this one free of charge. The end of it was real corroded. Got a new end now. We're in good shape. Let's fire it up and try the surface cleaner. When you start your pressure washer, you want to make sure that the water runs through. Give it a minute to go through. You do not want it to have an air bubble just like that. We'll just let it run for a little bit, get that air out of there, and then we'll keep this valve open and the handle squeezed, and we'll start the engine. Okay, so we've taken 5 minutes, and you can see we've done, what is this, 2.5 foot or so wide, all the way to the edge of the driveway. This thing works incredibly. Look how much cleaner this side is compared to over here. Boy, does it work good. Let's finish up the driveway. Okay, and just like that, we're done. Take a look. Can you see over my shoulder here? Look how much cleaner that looks. The amount of time saved by using that surface cleaner, it's unbelievable. Highly recommend using something like that. Don't use the wand. Invest a little bit into the surface cleaner. It'll save you a ton of time. It also saved me a ton of gas. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you again soon.